The masses are suffering while elites live large. A Call to Defend the Constitution. By Lynn Ems, the 14th of September 2025. Spread the love. The truth is undeniable. Zimbabwe's masses are suffering, while a privileged few, described in growing street language as the ZVAITWA, live in opulence, untouched by the daily hardships that ordinary citizens endure. Ordinary people in crisis. Across the country, families are battling soaring food prices, unreliable electricity, collapsing healthcare, and an education system buckling under the weight of underfunding. Salaries for civil servants remain far below the poverty datum line, while millions scrape by through informal trading and menial work. Yet in stark contrast, a political and business elite flaunts wealth in the form of luxury cars, foreign trips and lavish lifestyles. They gallivant with their families, friends, and mistresses, while ordinary Zimbabweans walk long distances to fetch water, queue for basic medicines, and struggle to put SADC on the table. What has further enraged citizens is the push to extend President Emerson Mnangagwa's rule, initially beyond 2028, and now increasingly described as a thinly veiled move toward lifetime presidency. Analysts warn that the current moment demands vigilance. Citizens who choose silence risk normalizing authoritarianism. You will be a fool to remain silent under the circumstances, wrote Lynn M., echoing the growing public sentiment that silence in the face of creeping dictatorship equals compliment. Across townships and villages, whispers are turning into open defiance. Youth groups, war veterans, and civil society organizations are beginning to voice louder opposition to Resolution 1 and other attempts to undermine the Constitution. A university lecturer in Harare noted, "The Constitution is the last shield citizens have. If we allow it to be torn apart, then Zimbabwe will be left at the mercy of criminals masquerading as leaders." The message from the ground is clear. The people are not prepared to be spectators while the elite rewrite the rules for their own survival.